Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little cooking with Kia and Kesha. We love to make homemade pizzas, so I decided to show you guys how we work together to make the pizza. So Kesha just chopped up the onions and she's getting ready to caramelize them in butter, and she's going to salt them and pepper them, and she's just going to let them hang out on the stove while we prepare everything else. Coming up next, she's going to show you how she makes her parsley pesto. So to the pesto, she's adding garlic, salt, pepper, this Italian seasoning we got from Trader Joe's, I think, as well as some olive oil. We're calling it a parsley pesto, although we didn't add any nuts to it, but you know, it still turned out good, and I think it did what it needed to do. Now I'm getting ready to saute the spinach. I know some people put the spinach on the pizza raw. I personally like to cook it down first and then apply it to the pizza so it doesn't char or burn. And so I'm going to wilt this down. I season it with salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. And once this cooks down, it made a lot of water. I don't know why. So I'm going to drain that water off first. And then I'm going to combine the onions with the spinach just so it can get that flavor and I can add them all together. And then I decided to put it back in the pot that the onion cooked in for that extra flavor. So this is an important step to me. I feel like you should always flavor your sauce, whether you're going to use it for spaghetti or lasagna or whatever Italian dish. So I decided to add some of that parsley pesto that Kesha made, and it really made a difference in the taste of the sauce. Of course, I added the salt and pepper and onion powder and garlic powder. And here's our sauce. Now, we struggled so bad with this dough. I don't know if I didn't leave it out long enough. This is the dough from Trader Joe's. You have to leave it out for 20 minutes before you shape it, and I guess we didn't reach the 20-minute mark. So we decided to put it in this pan, which is a nice hack. We threw away our pizza pan for some reason. I don't know why. So we used the pan because we couldn't get the dough to spread out just by itself on the foil. So this pan gave us the circle that we needed to work with. So Kesha applied that parsley pesto and then also the sauce, and then the chicken that you see in the background, Kesha actually cooked that on her lunch break today. So that's how we were able to just go in and make the other sides to go on the pizza. The chicken was already cooked. If you're new here, my name is Nikia. I go by Naturally Nikia here on YouTube. On my channel, I upload vlogs, homemaking, and aesthetics. Because I'm an esthetician, I'm currently not practicing in person, but I do offer services virtually, and I'll have that link below for booking. So essentially everything is already cooked on the pizza. The chicken is cooked thoroughly, the spinach and the onions. We're just baking it so the dough could cook as well as the cheese to melt. So we put it in the oven for 20 minutes, 375 degrees, and here's the finished product. It turned out so good. I wish you guys could smell it. I wish you could taste it. It was so good. There's Keisha dumping it out on the cutting board, and I also threw away our pizza cutter, so she's using a knife to cut it up, which she always does a good job with that. And we had pizza this night. We had enough for leftovers the next day, and that's all. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.